Q135 MR Peterson, over. Understood. Mike Peterson given the Q135-01 lead locomotive 3172 information westbound 1. There is entire work authority, and that's from the BA 40.9, 42.9, 68.8, 69.0 max speeder. Thank you, Mike. Have a good day. Here we go.
Alright, I was on my way to Bonesville to catch this train there, and I just to come over here real quick to check the signal for the westbound, because I saw a 216 going by, and I heard him calling the guy, "Hey, what's going on, man?" And cause like I heard these guys like, "Dang it, did I miss them?" Like, and then I heard these guys look good, and we're like, "Oh, thank God, I didn't miss them! Yay!" I was hoping to catch you guys at Bonesville, but I guess not. The condition's good. Alright, you guys, so far so good. You guys looking good. I don't know how well this video would come out. I'm hoping to be okay for you guys. Dang, you guys are hard ass. I love it. Oh, excuse me. Damn, you got a good size today. Damn, how big are you guys today? You guys are good. Ah, it's on low. Dang it. Alright, Q135. You guys look good. You guys be safe going westbound. You guys be safe. Dickerson Station. Alright guys, you guys be safe. I'll see you guys maybe Friday.